we're going to do a 50-50 with Jescar AIO all-in-one polish and wax on this Tahoe. So you can see right now the paint looks good, but let me grab a light and let's get in there. Tons of swirls. Try to get it so you guys can see better. See the swirls in there. There we go. So this door is pretty hammered. The whole car is pretty hammered. So I'm going to do a tape line down the car over here, do a 50-50, and we're going to show you the quick and easy results you get from this product. We're using the Milwaukee polisher along with the Lace Country forced orange pad. Work on speed 4400. Super easy wipe off, which is always nice. Has a nice long cycle of working time. Feels very slick. Put the light on there. So this is the before. Go right over. You can see cleaned up, amazing. Very slick finish. Has a nice working time. Easy to use, easy wipe off. Go back again, before, after, before, and after. This product is great. So in addition to cleaning up the swirls, I want you to see the clarity. Right on now. You can see really that line, the clarity between the two. I'm trying to get it in focus for you. After. Amazing clarity. And that's what you should expect from any detailing you're going to do. But a good quality AIO, like Jescar's, you'll get that clarity and richness. You can see my reflection is very sharp.